Here we go again.
Yo!
Jay! Jay think I'm trolling when I tell him I'll switch when I go to court. He's going to the pin. Hey, we gotta shake the block shop. We outside, shake the block, private shop. You already know the vibe.
These niggas here is crazy. Y'all love that boy, huh? Y'all love that boy, huh? It's y'all favorite guy. You got what?
Cooked.
Fried. Damn. Yeah, I like this. It's kind of nice. Whoa! Damn, nigga, sliding what? Come on, nigga. I thought they were faking. I thought niggas was capping. Truck and shit. Niggas. They back to start grabbing niggas. Y'all know we had to set up some private shit cause that shit was trash as fuck last night. So we had to set up some private shit for the next day. You already know how that go. And them things again. Cause nah, I was just pulling up, coming around the bend. I was just coming around the bend, bro. Oh, wait, he about to slide, I think. Hold on. Oh, he is. Okay. Okay. Damn, Cheddar sweating out this bitch for y'all. It's hot as fuck. need to be practicing. Nah, you good, bro. You good.
I was trying to record, but I'm gonna stop.
Nah, you. You good, bro? Just do you, bro. Shit. That nigga said I was trying to record. That shit hard, ain't it? Nigga thought he was nice enough to one hand and record. Okay. Stretch that bit. That little four banger busting. That nigga tired tripping on the ball. Oh, okay, Zay, damn. Come on, Zay, come on. Okay. You gotta pull up, goddamn. Y'all ain't never seen the Q45 do that. Y'all ain't never seen. Let somebody finish. Let somebody finish.
Come on.
My boy want to tandem. Come on now. We want to see a quick, quick tango. Yeah. I appreciate you. You feel me? Yeah. That's what they want. Yeah, I want to see this. Yeah. Come on now. I know you got that thing. I seen you a couple times. Yeah, I seen that motherfucker. Oh yeah, that was your little G team. She got that from Jacob. Jacob. Yeah, that shit is kind of fire. That shit look better than my shit.
And it's got the little...
Yeah, good tandem. Oh, yeah, VQ teams. Come on. All right. Oh yeah, you see how I picked the shade?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Who gonna go first? Yeah,
I think we're gonna let her go first.
Yeah. I think Chris just gonna hop in with her.
Yeah.
Look at Chris already on deck. Yeah, Chris, yeah, get her, Chris. Come on. Yeah. Get his ass, get Chris. Oh my Lord. Oh Lord. Ah! Keep going. It's not like I'm shitty though. It's not like a Mari. Come on. You gotta keep playing. Jay on that ass. With that bitch. God damn it. But it's running hot again. What's going on? It's hot again.
It's hot.
You good? You know quick feet don't eat on this side. I would have hurdled that bitch if I had to. You good? Come on, bro. That was gonna be good. Cam was wide open. Oh my God. Lord, take a break if it's hot. Oh, she about to jump in. I gotta leave. I'm sorry. That nigga dangerous. We about to get them eights jumping. Come on, bro, you got this, bitch. What the fuck you got going on? What the fuck? You had the wheel. Come on, you got the wheel. We know you got the wheel. You got the wheel. We know you got the wheel. Come on. Come on. We know you got the wheel in that shit. Yeah.
My hand.
Ready to slide this bitch. Thugging too hard, hit the trap in the basement. I popped my first nigga, my heart was just racing. Know how the G tried to copy my cadence. I ain't for his head, so he lucky he made it. Got my first.
I heard it. We in the J's loop, nigga. I can't believe he tagged that shit.